Let me show you how to run a powerful AI model on your own computer. In 3 steps, completely free and offline. Step 1. Install Ollama. It is one command. On Windows, winget install Ollama. On Mac or Linux, a single curl line. Done. Step 2. Download a model. Type Ollama, pull Llama 3.1, and an 8 billion parameter model lands on your machine. With 4-bit quantization, it only needs 5 to 6 gigabytes of VRAM, so it fits on a normal gaming GPU like an RTX 3060. Step 3. Run it. Type Ollama run, ask anything, and watch. The model answers instantly, on local hardware, with 0 data leaving your computer, and it is fast. 8 billion models hit 170 tokens per second on a good GPU. Faster than you can read. Want better reasoning? Pull DeepSeek R1. Want coding? Pull Qwen 3 Coder. Same 3 commands, any model. That is the whole trick. No API key, no subscription, no rate limits, and your data never leaves the room. 3 commands, and the most powerful tool on your computer no longer needs the cloud.